Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Xin Liu. I'm now an assistant professor at the University of Texas at Arlington. So during my PhD work, I developed several tools on cdmHUB. And today I just want to make a short video about how to transform files between your local computer and cdmHUB. This is like a question I constantly received from the cdmHUB, and I think make a video and then show you step by step how to do this will be helpful in your future research. So in short, cdmHUB is just a server. You can like remove, log in, and also transform between your local computer and this server. And the tools I think is that which is most convenient to you is FileZilla. So you can just type FileZilla in your Google and then download it and install it. And after the installation, you will find something like this. Then go to this site manager. Basically, it will allow you to create. It will allow you to create a new site, like your site. Here I have my cdmHUB, and then you select this SSH file transfer protocol. And then the host name is just cdmHUB.org. Then your username and password. And then you can directly click connect. And now in this window, actually, this is my home directory. You will probably not have this looks different than what I'm showing here, because I have a lot of folders created here. But you will have this data file. So in this data file, you will have these sessions. So if you go into the sessions, it will automatically, cdmHUB will automatically record all the sessions you opened in the history, and also the current one. So let's see. Now I want to launch TextGene for SC. So I click Launch Tool. Then it opens TextGene for SC, right? And then if I go back here, and what I want to do is to refresh it. So let's see, refresh. Okay, then you can see this is the current one with this with my computer time, right? And if I click, oh, excuse me, if I open this, basically there is nothing here, and because I didn't create any files yet. And a question I received a lot is, okay, for one of the new features for TextGene is to create a rotated layer, and the TextGene for IC is actually created built on the old version, so it doesn't have this capability. But what you can do is to use TextGene to create this model. And for example, I have created this model to rotate it to 45 degrees. And I have this file on my local computer, right? And all I want to do next is just go to this folder. Let me see. I need to go to the desktop, and then cdmHUB. You can see this is the file in my local computer. I just move this file here. Okay, so now this file is on cdmHUB. The next thing I would like to do is to just open this file, open TextGene file. You see, this is already in my current folder. I just open this file. Then I have a unit cell or RVE, or in our terminology, SG, which is the 45-degree plane wave composites. And the one thing is just a tip for you. It's if you want to create this rotated textile composites, you need to calculate the corresponding representative volume by yourself. For example, this one, if this is not rotated, then the implant dimensions will be the 2 millimeter multiplied by 2 millimeter. But if that is rotated, then the implant dimensions will be changed. Okay, but this is something you have to compute by yourself based on the rotate angle. And then you can just save it as a cdmHUB file. I just keep all the settings here, and give it a name, maybe 45 IC. Then I can click save it, and then I do mesoscale analysis. Okay, and then I can get my properties, effective properties. So this is about how I can transform a file from my local computer to TextGene. And basically, you can follow the same way for the cdmHUB, because in the cdmHUB, we also have a function called import IC. That is basically, you can create your IC file, use whatever the text, the mesh generator in your computer. This is not necessary using Gmesh. You can use, for example, you can use AVAX to create a fairly complex structured genome, and then mesh it, and then convert it to an IC file. And all you want is just to use cdmHUB to compute the effective properties, and maybe dehomogenization, right? So now what I can do is, okay, I open my FileZilla, and then if I go back here, let me refresh this. You can see I actually create a new session, and this is the number associated with this session. And of course, there's nothing here. But what I can do is I move this, the IC file to this folder, and then I just open, not open, excuse me. I click this import. So this test.sc is already in my current working directory. So open this, and you can see the name will change to the name plus this extension .geo. And then what I want to do is do homogenization. When I create this IC file, I already know this is the MC solid model. So I click run this model, I get the effective properties. And also if I want to do the dehomogenization, just give my macroscopic string. Run this. You can see I can get my contour plot. Displacement string. This is a uniform string, so there will not have the U11 will be uniform. And then, I can also see my stress. It's fairly, I would say fairly easy. Okay, and yeah, this is pretty much what I want to cover in this video. And if you have any questions when you use the tools on cdmHUB, you are very welcome to ask questions. Okay, thank you, and have a good day.